Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A captivating small house exterior is transformed with a vibrant vertical garden, showcasing a sustainable and stylish approach to maximizing space while bringing nature closer to home. This video explores the design process, materials, and maintenance tips for creating your own stunning vertical garden. Welcome viewers and introduce the concept of a small house exterior with a vertical garden, highlight the benefits of vertical gardens for small spaces, including maximizing space, adding greenery, and improving aesthetics. Briefly introduce the key aspects of the video, such as design considerations, construction process, and maintenance tips. Discuss the different types of vertical gardens, including living walls, green facades, and hanging planters. Explore different materials for vertical gardens, such as wood, metal, or recycled materials, and their advantages and disadvantages. Provide examples of plant choices suitable for vertical gardens, focusing on low maintenance, drought-tolerant options. Outline the step-by-step process of constructing a vertical garden, including building the structure, installing drainage and irrigation systems, and planting the plants. Demonstrate practical techniques for building a vertical garden using different materials, emphasizing clarity and simplicity. Provide tips on selecting the right tools and materials based on the chosen design and budget. Emphasize the importance of proper watering and fertilization for a healthy vertical garden. Discuss common pests and diseases that may affect vertical gardens and how to prevent and treat them. Share tips for pruning and maintaining the vertical garden to ensure it thrives and remains visually appealing. Summarize the benefits of incorporating a vertical garden into a small house exterior. Encourage viewers to implement these ideas in their own homes, providing links to resources and relevant information. End with a call to action, prompting viewers to leave comments, ask questions, and subscribe to the channel for more content. A modern, contemporary, and hyper-realistic home with a lush green vertical garden. The house features a dark steel frame with large glass windows, showcasing a warm interior with wooden accents and a full wall of living greenery. The exterior walls are paneled in dark wood with pops of warm, golden light coming from within. Full-length glass doors lead to a covered deck. The deck is finished in a natural wood tone and features outdoor furniture, including lounge and dining areas. A large amount of plants are strategically placed throughout the landscaping surrounding the house, seamlessly blending the home with the natural environment. The greenery drapes down the side of the house and over the roofline, creating a tropical, almost jungle-like, aesthetic. A modern, luxurious, tropical home with rusted metal exterior cladding, lush greenery, and extensive glass windows. The home is multi-story, with a living space that flows out onto a patio and balconies. The rusted metal panels feature varying tones of orange-brown and have a slightly rough, textured surface. The exterior walls and roof are covered in plants, creating a vertical garden effect, with cascading greenery spilling down the exterior. The home is situated within a lush tropical garden or forest setting, with mature trees and abundant foliage visible around the house. The interior spaces are visible through large glass windows, hints of warm, natural wood finishes, comfortable furniture and plants are seen within. A modern, dark gray stone house with a lush green vertical garden covering the exterior walls. The house has large windows that frame views of the surrounding forest, and the interior is illuminated with warm, golden light spilling out, creating a cozy ambience. A deck with dark-toned furniture and a sleek, dark pool are situated in front of the house. The landscaping is carefully manicured, blending seamlessly with the house and surrounding nature. High detail, hyperrealistic rendering. Focus on the interplay of light and shadow, the textures of the stone and plants, and the overall tranquility and harmony of the scene. A modern, contemporary, and lushly landscaped house. The style is minimalist, with clean white concrete walls and wooden accents. The house is adorned with extensive vertical gardens, featuring various green plants, vines, and flowers cascading down the walls and across balconies. Multiple levels of balconies and terraces are filled with plants of varying shades of green, orange, and red, and also with tropical foliage. The windows are large and expansive, featuring dark frames that contrast beautifully with the light gray concrete. The house is set in a lush garden with a variety of trees and landscaping. The foreground shows a paved area transitioning to grassy areas, indicating a private courtyard or garden setting. A modern, dark gray, minimalist house nestled within a lush tropical forest. Hyperrealistic, impressionistic lighting. The house features large expanses of glass overlooking the dense greenery, with vertical gardens covering the walls and balconies. Warm, amber-toned interior lighting visible through the windows, showcasing a contemporary, open-plan living area with furniture. The house is surrounded by a variety of tropical plants, including large green leaves, ferns, and hanging plants. Lush, vibrant green grass surrounds the house. Pathways of light gray paving stones lead from the house to the forest. Deep greens and browns dominate, with hints of orange and amber from interior lights. A modern, minimalist house nestled amongst lush greenery. The house features a dark gray, almost charcoal, exterior with large expanses of vertical wall gardens. The walls are clad in a variety of plants with vibrant greens and hints of darker foliage, creating a living curtain effect. The structure's design has a contemporary aesthetic, with large, angled windows and a glass balcony. Interior spaces are visible through the windows, lit softly with warm, golden light. A wooden deck extends from the house, providing a patio space for outdoor living, surrounded by a yard with various shades of green and textures of stone and grass. A modern, luxury home with extensive vertical green walls. The exterior is dark gray concrete with large windows and sliding glass doors. Multiple levels of terraces and balconies are covered in vibrant, colorful flowers and greenery, creating a living wall effect. The house is situated on a grassy lawn. A contemporary patio set with a sectional sofa is placed on a wooden deck leading out from the home, in front of the living walls. The overall aesthetic is both contemporary and natural, blending architectural design with the beauty of nature. The lighting is natural daylight, casting soft shadows on the foliage and creating a peaceful ambience. Impressionistic, hyperrealistic. A modern, minimalist, two-story house with a large, living wall of lush greenery cascading down its facade. The house is dark gray/charcoal with light brown wooden beams and accents. The interior spaces are visible through large glass windows, filled with natural light and furniture. Outdoor living areas include a wooden deck with teak furniture, a fire pit, and a variety of carefully landscaped gardens and potted plants. The greenery is vibrant and abundant, with plants of various sizes and textures. The image is hyperrealistic, with very strong attention to detail in the textures of the wood, glass, and foliage. Light and shadow are used effectively to highlight the architecture and the lush green spaces. A modern, minimalist, eco-friendly house nestled within a lush tropical forest. Hyperrealistic rendering. Dark gray metal and dark brown wood exterior with large expanses of glass. Extensive green vertical and horizontal planting on the exterior walls and rooftops of the house, creating a seamless integration with the surrounding nature. Distinct layers of vegetation, including hedges, shrubs, ferns, and various foliage types. Natural stone accents throughout the structure. Open floor plan with indoor-outdoor living areas. Reflective koi pond integrated into the landscape design. Spacious living spaces, bedrooms visible through floor-to-ceiling glass doors. Warm, ambient lighting inside the house, showcasing the interior design. A modern, sustainable, two-story home nestled within a lush, tropical garden. High-end, dark gray metal framing supports large expanses of glass windows and balconies. The entire structure is heavily planted with various greenery, including ferns, vines, and foliage, which covers the roof, walls, and balconies. The interior spaces are visible through the large windows, showcasing a contemporary design with warm, earth tones, and comfortable furniture. The lighting is soft and warm, highlighting the natural beauty of the home and the surrounding plants. The overall aesthetic is a blend of modern architecture and natural elements, emphasizing sustainability and harmony with nature. Hyperrealistic rendering. A modern, concrete house with a lush vertical garden facade. Hyperrealistic rendering. Large windows framing the interior with warm wooden accents. The house sits amidst a lush, tropical garden with varied foliage, including vibrant orange and yellow flowers. A patio area with a wooden deck, stonework, rocks, and a small pond. Gray concrete walls of the house blend seamlessly with the greenery. Brown, beige, and greens dominate the color palette, with hints of orange and yellow from the flowers. A modern, minimalist cabin nestled within a lush green forest. The cabin features a wooden exterior, dark gray accents, and large windows that showcase the surrounding foliage. The roof has a green, living roof. Vertical gardens, filled with various lush greenery, are integrated into the cabin structure, creating a natural extension of the surrounding forest.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.